How to reset LG washing machine. So clearing error codes. So the first thing you can do is to turn off the washer. Press the power button to turn the LG washing machine off. This is a little blurry, but you should be able to see the idea itself. Now we do have a better view over here. The next thing is to unplug the washer, remove the plug from the outlet, and if you can't reach it, turn off the washer's circuit breaker. This should be found somewhat near the washer itself. The next thing you can try is to discharge the power. So you can do this if you have it on again. Discharging it will be done by pressing and holding the power button for 5 seconds, then press and hold the start/pause button for 5 seconds. And the LG's official reset guide uses this method to reset the washer's control board. And if you've done the other methods, just go ahead and plug it back in, reconnect the washer, or turn the circuit breaker back on. And finally, just restart this cycle. Turn the washer on and start a new cycle. If the error code does return, check the specific code in your manual or LG's error code list, because some codes need a real fix and not just a reset. But that's pretty much some options you have if you want to do this. Hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.